Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be graphing f of x equals x squared and also g of x equals x squared minus 4. So first, let's just quickly review how do we graph f of x equals x squared. So I'm going to graph this one in green. In order to graph this, we take every x value and then we square it in order to get the respective f of x value or y value. So let's start with -2. If x is -2, what would f of x be? Well, -2 squared is 4, so therefore -2, 4 is a point. -1 is also a point because -1 squared is 1. 0 squared is 0, so 0, 0 is a point. 1, 1 is a point because 1 squared is equal to 1. And then 2, 4 is a point because 2 squared is equal to 4. Okay, and now I'm just going to connect those dots together later like that. And there we go. All right, next let's work on x squared minus 4. So notice that there's no stretches or compressions or anything like that. The only thing that's differentiating f of x and g of x is that minus 4. So essentially what this is saying is draw the same graph except take every y value and lower it by 4, right? So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take every dot here and just lower it by 4. So 0, 0 becomes 0, -4. 1, 1 becomes 1, -3. And then if I lower 2, 4 and -2, 4 by 4, I get right on the axis here. So essentially I've just drawn this exact same thing, except I've taken it down by 4, right? Because that's the only thing, the -4 was the only thing we had there. Now, had there been a coefficient for the x squared value other than 1, we would have done other things, right? If there was negative there, we would have flipped it, or if there was another number there, we would have done a stretch or a compression, something like that. But in this case, we really just need to take this exact graph exactly the way it is and move it down by 4, and that gives us our new graph. As always, let me know if there are any questions in the comments below.